And what is this for now? You're gonna make tea?
Yeah.
Okay. Take your time first, careful.
And too slow, boy.
There you are. What? That's good, man. Nice. So guys, seems as if we're gonna get breakfast this morning. Yeah. See, Frostman just picked some breadfruit. Yeah. No more breadfruit don't leave on the tree. Ah man, I remember this apple tree, bro. Man. Are the hurricane tear down the limb them? The rainwater get to them already, Frost. Oh God, thank you, yeah, man, for real, man. Four in one and 3 in 1. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. So I guess we have breakfast after all. Yeah. Nice. So guys, this is Jamaican swing song right here. See it? Yeah. This is a Jamaican swing song. I would go in it, but I think I'm a little bit too heavy for it. Yeah. Yeah. First when I last year going I want swing song.
When you put them there, maybe I'll try with them.
So you can swing a swing song?
Yeah, not too good. Not too good. I wish you not being a child with it,
Guys, I will go in it, but you see that branch there? I don't trust it, man. It probably break down with me. I ain't going. It's been years I haven't go in a swing, man. Look at that. I want to bring back memories, guys. Tell me, guys. Tell me in the comment. When was the last time you swinging a swing song? Not a swing. We call it swing song in Jamaica. That's what they call it, right? Frost? Swing song, right?
Swing song.
Swing song, not swing. Swing song. Yeah. Nice. Man, I tell you. Yeah. I say, yo, wait. So I say, boy, I want bun. Me go eat for breakfast, but I can't cook so. Oh, nice. So this is what we got, guys. Yeah, 4 breadfruit. I got some hockey. So guys, we're gonna see if we can organize breakfast. Hey, what's up? You good? Brownie. What happened? You good? You good, Brownie? You good? we're gonna roast breadfruit and cook hockey. That's the breakfast. Yeah. Island area? Yeah.
Come back,
Ackee and sausage, right? And cauliflower dumpling and roast breadfruit to breakfast. Oh, that black pepper.
It's solid, you know?
Okay. Right here. Every time first, careful.
I'm too slow, no boy.
Carry on. Yeah, the dumplings here, guys. Ackee and the saltfish right here. Yeah. Nice. You good? You look for yourself? Huh? You gonna eat some of the breakfast too? Yeah? You gonna eat some of the breakfast too? You gonna eat some of the breakfast? Yeah, so guys, we wait for the breakfast to be prepared and then we're gonna see how it come out. Alright, stay tuned. The knife? Okay. You good? You freak it out.
You have to piece all this one a man still.
Oh God. Vibes, yeah. Thank you. Nice. See this, guys? It's breakfast. Listen up. It's breakfast right here. It's breakfast, this, guys. Nice. See it right there? See the cornmeal flour dumpling? You see the saltfish? You see the ackee? You see the roast breadfruit? Yeah. Nice. Beautiful. Nice. This is my first prepared meal since I arrived in the country, since I arrived in the island, yeah. Up in the hills. Some of the provision was foraged right off the property. The ackee, and the breadfruit. And the mint that was used to make the tea. Yeah. Nice. Wow. Nice, guys. But guys, it's hot. My goodness. The breeze hardly blowing, guys, and it's hot. On top of it, it's hot. Seriously. Sandwich me. Got this Sam. Hey Morgan, look at that. Yeah. Belgian bait, look at that. Run, look at that. Showing it, girlfriend, look at that. Mass Central, look at that. Yeah. Bless up yourself to all of my channel members. Bless up yourself. Thank you guys for becoming a members of the Manix Robinson TV channel. Really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. Yeah. Hot like off. Oh yeah. Nice, man. Me take more. Give me a piece more breakfast, sir. Breakfast, good guys. Thank you. Nice stuff. So guys, look at this. Breakfast finish. Cup of tea finish. I even lose 1.5 of the dumpling, and this man here eat that. Yeah. But breakfast was wonderful, guys. I didn't plan for it, didn't expect it. You know, but first man get the thing up and get the thing sorted out, and we were able to have a nice, warm, well prepared breakfast. Alright. So first hot meal in Jamaica. So thanks again for tuning in one more time, guys. Blessing, love and prosperity to you and your family. And remember, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, hit that post notification bell, and whenever I drop a video, you won't miss it. Have yourself a good one. Bye bye. Look at that. Look at this, guys. Look at the thunder clouds. Look at it. Wow. Here the rain is coming, guys. Wow, look at that, guys. Wow. Look like it want to touch the sea, guys. Look at that. Look like it's so heavy, guys. It want to touch the water. Look at that, guys. Wow. It's coming, guys. Here it comes. Here it comes, guys. Here it comes.